watching a beautiful site visit of a 3 BHK house designed by our team iRenovate. This site belongs to Mr. Saurav Sarkar and I'm so eager to show you this site. So here we go. So let's start with the door. This door is made up of veneer. So right after the entry, on the right side, we have a dining table. The table is made up of solid wood. So as we can see, it is a modern style dining table with the bench, with no back. And we have 2 seats with the high backs. So this is a 4-seater dining table. So on my left side, there is a bar counter with 2 bar chairs. These are also again made up of solid wood. And as we can see, we have given storage to display our bar bottles. And we have the storage below the counter as well. So right after the bar unit, we have a beautiful kitchen which has dark granite counter and its cabinets are of laminate finish, white laminates. So to give break between dining and the living area, we have a wooden partition. So now I am in the living room, which has the capacity of 6 people. As you can see that it is beautifully designed by a team. So we have a beige leather sofa. So to highlight the wall after the sofa, I've given a wallpaper which is of ice blue and greyish tone. So to give a break, we have a beautifully designed sitting. It is comfortable indeed. And we have given a minimalistic table with the glass top. So my client loves Xbox. He loves to play games. So we have given him an amazing LCD unit, as you can see, where he can watch a nice movie, whatever he wants to, and we have given him the lights here along with the storage, and we have given the small space to keep his Xbox, Tata Sky, etc. So now we are at the most beautiful part of the house, which is my favorite, the balcony area. Here we have a pallet seating furniture, as you can see, followed by the grass. This is the artificial grass. So we are at the guest room right now. As you can see, we have given the wooden flooring. We have given the soft back, leather back, which is quite comfortable. So this room has the most beautiful view, as you can see. Now I'll take you to the master bedroom, which has attached washroom here. Wardrobes. These are again of solid wood and with a laminate finish. So our client likes minimalistic things, so we have not added much of a furniture in the master bedroom. We have given the lighter tone of wallpaper, as you can see, and the bed back has suede. It is quite comfortable. Made up of solid wood. We have the study here, which has storage, as you can see. We've given wooden flooring almost in every room here. Since it's a master bedroom, it got more preference. So we have given a beautiful balcony, separate balcony here, which has again an artificial grass to give a natural look. The moment my client gonna get up, should feel fresh, right? And now I'll show you the LCD unit. It is again minimalistic, not given much of the things because my client like minimalistic things. So we have given storage here. We have 3 drawers, 2 shelves and normal sleek unit.